Last summer
Salt air
felt like a dream.
and the rust on your door. I never needed
It was unlike any other summer.
And I can see it's twisted in bed sheets. All you
I want to memorize it all. You never know the last time you'll see a place.
Ay siya, sigsag niya. Gustong-gusto na yan. Putik yan, sigsag na dahil. Hilo kayo bago makarating eh. Hilo. Awat pa yung gas natin ha.
Hindi mo apak na lang kasi pabawas eh.
Para tipid.
Pumapasok talaga ng board exam kaya binabaga ng mga billboard eh.
Congratulations, princess!
Actually, pinasawa niya. Nakakaibag ng galit.
Nakahilo yung lugar niyo, princess.
Mas pwede. Hindi ba ako dito?
Ay, manay! Ito, sa ako pinakaya. Sa dito. Ilan mo yung sila? Para kita. Basta tayo! Malapit ka na sa akin. Literal na road trip.
Thank you, mami. Nagsama sa akin mga trip.
Tatamaan ka na sa trip mo.
Thank you talaga. Mahal mo sa akin.
Ay!
Ala, nakakamiss ang Lubo Market. Dumaan lang kami dito saglit para bumili ng pagkain bago kami dumiretso dun sa dagat.
Maglabas lang. Ba? 20. Mabigat, 20. Medyo tulubo. O, maglabla.
Oh, here, bigas. Tulog naman si Sheikha eh. Ay, Sheikha siya.
Isa mo sa ilagay, isa mo. Uling.
Yung mga bata sumama kay Daddy Rai. Ako, naiwan dito kasi bili naman ako dito ng bigas tsaka ng mga kailangan namin like mga kutsilyo, chopping board, etc. na gagamitin sa pagluluto kasi biglaan na talaga yung punta namin dito. Wow, ang sarap ng bitsu-bitsu. Tapos mainit-init pa. Ako na lang yung bumalik dito sa loob kasi sabi ko kay Daddy Rai, dagdagan niyo yung uling, baka kasi kulangin kami. Tapos ang init-init pa guys, sobra.
Turn left toward Mabina Street, then turn right.
See there? What's that, baby? Before baby we came here, you still not the baby ni ate. Last 7 years ago.
Turn right onto Magadla.
No, not there. See?
Yeah, we have like in the province. The rice is came here, ate. Rice field. This one.
Here before.
Yeah, when you were small. Rice field.
Rice field of Sheka. Magbabalik sa lawas.
Make a U-turn, then turn right. Turn right, then make a U-turn.
Dinayo pa po kayo ni Ryan.
Siya. Wow.
Daddy, what's
Sheka.
there?
This one fish, the fish living here.
Oh, we could get fish.
If you want to get fish, you will get the fish there.
Carrot fish.
Is the fish jumping lately?
You've arrived at your destination.
Oh, the fish. I don't want to swim there.
You see the beach is terrible, look oh.
Huh? What? What?
Hello po, we're back.
That's the beach.
Where is it your back?
We're back. Aba, di. Ay no, tao.
Hindi naman tagal pa yun.
What's the swimming pool there?
Ano ba, may information area na sila. Information area na sila. May mga motor dati oh. Aba,
Daddy, is there river?
yung mga sasakyan dati. Meron na.
Malapit-lapit. Nakaparada.
There, daddy.
Marada na ito isa eh.
Is it there?
Ano,
Here,
parking yan. Hindi makalabas tong mga to.
Doon ka muna, punta ka muna.
Is it there?
Layo.
Swim?
Sige, hindi. Sige na po.
Swim? Yeah, wait.
Ano naman, asa na nila yung dami. Teka! You okay? You want to go down? Baka gusto mo. Video to video.
Daddy,
Seka, smile. What's that? Meeting? Meeting? Tulog na yung bibi. Nabuhangin, napagod. Natalok. Ano yung camera mo?
Careful ate ha, slippery ha.
Teka natin slide. Bukan magkano, lahat na alat. Ewan ko kung hindi mo sleep na.
Daddy, madulas.
Hindi mo sleep na.
Kisha, careful ha. Ang galing no, may dagat na may swimming pool pa, tapos ang laki pa. Dati wala to, nung pumunta kami dito. Tapos ngayon lang ulit kami nagbalik after so many years. Tapos ito, may swimming pool na. Tapos pinaganda na nila lalo yung place nila.
Yes. Bento ka tardas na.
Because the priest doesn't come inside.
Malap na. Good. Sali ngayon guys. Naliligo. Ito yung mga fish. Oh. Ate, dasa may fish ate, look. Aha. Fish the water here. Arky, say hello. Ate Arky. Buto ate. See the water here, Sheka.
Give it to them.
Masih wala po sila basta naman.
I want the bear.
Rice field.
Field.
Rice field. So rice, with rice, right? Rice field there.
So the rice field is there.
Put this study. Put this today.
Trees. Nature.
That portion, that portion daw, that
Nature.
tipid muna tayo, ha? Oh, tipid muna. Dapat nagbabawad ng rice. Thank you, baby. They have bathroom, Daddy? They have toilet? They have...
Bakit?
Hugas na siya kamay.
Umaga, panay ba na?
Oo, wag na. Para sumakit pa siya natin. Let's see it. Let's see it. Wag na, Daddy. Don't want hot.
I like cold.
Why? Why do you like cold? And you don't like hot?
I don't want hot. I don't like cold.
Oh, do you like cold? You don't like hot?
Yeah.
Why?
I just don't want hot. I think I can make it cookie. But I don't like it my mom and dad. My mom and dad, I just don't want hot.
Your mom and dad don't want hot?
Yeah.
Or you?
Tria.
All of us. You don't want hot, only cold.
Yeah, let's go. Mommy, let's open the window.
If you open the window, the cold will go outside.
Tama. Side mirror mo. Mas ibihirap picturean ni. Yung nasa SM Gala to the max. Yan, isisura mo. Yan, sa taas ng billboard.
Galat na max. O talaga?
Oo.
Naparinggan ka na. Galat na max. Oh, dito nga tayo sumakay noon, di ba? SM. Dumaan pa tayo dun simbahan, no?
Ba't lang yung guhit dito na parang ano? Nasa gilid sila. Basta tayo pa ng condominium dito na ng traffic na.
Traffic everywhere sa Pinas. Kahit dito sa Batangas City, ganun din traffic. Tapos pagdating mo ng Lipa, traffic pa rin. Ano ba naman yan? Ang traffic sa Pilipinas.